Hello and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. In this video, I am going to show you a new AI and machine learning project called DriveSense, a vehicle emission prediction and driving behavior analysis tool. Before diving into the details, let me give you a quick demo. After opening the app, you will see an option to login. I will enter my credential here and login. On the dashboard, to predict the gas emission of a vehicle, I will enter some values related to my vehicle. Once I have entered the details, I will click on the submit button. These values are then processed by the trained model, which generates results about my vehicle emission and driving behavior. As you can see, the smoke rating for this vehicle is 5, the CO2 rating is 4 and the emission level is 263, and that is why the driving behavior is rated as poor, and the system provides some recommendation for improvement. Additionally, if you want to check the model analysis of this trained model, you can do that here. So that's the quick overview of this project. Next, I will show you the source code, project report and research paper of this project. So here is a source code developed using Python and Django framework, and for the front end, Bootstrap is used. And this is the research paper of this project in a IEEE format. And this is the project report formatted professionally and included in a complete project package. So if you are interested in this project or if you need any modification in this existing project, then feel free to message me on Instagram ProgrammingFever. I will provide you a link in the description. Please check it out. And if you found this video useful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.